back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply export high bitrate videos in VN. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply export high bitrate videos in VN, all you can do is simply go to VN editor. Once you're in your VN editor, you need to now simply tap on the export button that is on the top right side of your screen of your video or project. So once you've created a video, you can simply find the export option right over there on the top right corner. And now if you want to export it in a very high bitrate, then you need to select your resolution. 4K is for the best quality and 1080p is for also a good quality. So you need to choose your FPS, that is 30 FPS standard and 60 FPS for smooth motion. And now critically slide the average bitrate to the right of the higher quality, that is more data, or left for smaller files for top quality. Aim for higher Mbps, potentially around 35 to 100 Mbps depending on your project, and then click on the export option. So this is how you can simply export high bitrate videos in VN. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.